track's solid. They didn't overwater it, which is nice. Fit my style a little bit out there. Got the bike dialed in with the team yesterday, so that's awesome. And yeah, so far, first qualifying went well. We're right there on pace. So one more qualifying session to wrap it up for the day. But yeah, go out there, just keep doing our thing, and hopefully go out there and run up front in these motos. I want to try and goal is to get a dub, so that's the goal. So we're gonna go chase that today.
Altitude is always a trick on the body and even the bike mainly, so the engine's running great and I feel pretty good. I was 11th in that one, which is you know, where I was last week, so looking to step inside that top 10 for this next one, but feeling good. Track is fast right now. We're first this weekend, so it's a little smoother than usually used to, so yeah, just got to send it a little bit, and yeah, we got two good old motos today here at Thunder Valley.
I'm really excited, dude. I could not sleep last night just thinking about racing today. Dude, just looking at all these fans out there, dude, this is sick. It's awesome. Very grateful to have this opportunity. And yeah, I mean, nerves are high, but as soon as you get on the gate, it just turns into excitement, and yeah, I'm ready to go.
Started off a little slow in qualifying. First moto didn't execute my start, that was my mistake. Fought my way through to 13th, so rough start, but second moto, bounce back, good start. I think I ended up 6th, so no, good day.
Thunder Valley was a lot of progress. I'm really thankful for the team. We put in a ton of work the past 3 weeks testing and developing the bike, and got me a lot more happy. So first moto I didn't get the best to start, but I was able to work my way up to third and held third for a long time, and then made a silly mistake down the stretch with like 2 laps to go and ended up 5th. But yeah, it was massively progress, and I'm sure that a couple laps I was fastest on the track, and yeah, I mean, you really wouldn't have expected that a couple weeks ago. And so coming back from injury is a process, and the process is going well.